Hello, everyone, and welcome to Health Sciences 4300 Individuals with Disabilities and Special Needs. This is one of my favorite classes to teach, so I am so glad that you are all here. I just wanted to pop in with a little video introduction. I am Anna Moore. I'm your instructor for this course. I created this course, and my hope is that it will help you to kind of lower those barriers that many of us often feel when it comes to working with individuals with disabilities or special needs, to help you feel more comfortable and take a lot of that information forward in your health sciences career, whether you're going to move into health education, nursing, rehabilitation. We will all encounter individuals with disabilities and special needs at some point. So I'm hoping this gives you a lot of confidence in working with that very special population. I'm excited that you're here. Some things you need to know is that new content will roll out every Monday, and I will be popping in throughout the week in your news section with updates, extra explanations if I've had some questions on a topic, reminders, and things like that. Every Monday morning in your news section, I will post everything that we are going to do that week. So be sure you are checking in on Mondays to know what the week holds. Each week you've got something due, whether it's a quiz or discussion, or we've got a lot of empathetic activities that you're going to be doing that are really pretty fun in this course. So if they're all due Sunday night by 11:59 p.m., make sure you have given yourself ample time to complete those. And if you haven't started working on anything and it gets to be like Thursday or Friday, you want to make sure, oh gosh, I need to check and make sure I know what's going on in that class, because you have something that's due on Sunday night by 11:59 p.m. So this week it's quiz 1 and your first discussion. I'm looking forward to getting to know you all a little bit better throughout the semester. And please, at any time, if you have any questions, reach out to me via email, my university email address. Do not email me through the course email. I'm much easier to get a hold of through the university memphis.edu email system. We don't always see what comes through if you communicate via the course. So anytime, reach out. If you need to schedule a one-on-one Zoom to answer any questions, I'm happy to do so. And I'm looking forward to seeing you all throughout the semester online, and hope you take a lot away from this class. Have a good day.